everybody, and welcome to this video on geometric sequences. In this video, we're having a look at another exercise. So here we have the pattern 8, 2.5, and for the next part, we have to write down the next 3 terms. So a geometric sequence has a common ratio, so we need to determine what that is. So what we can do is say T2 divided by T1, which is 2 divided by 8, which is a quarter. Or we can even say T3 divided by T2, which is a half divided by 2, which is also a quarter. So to get to each next term, we then have to multiply by a quarter. So the next term, 1 over 2, will become 1 over 8. And then multiplying that by 1 quarter, we get 1 over 32. And multiplying that also by 4, we get 1 over 128. 128. Okay, so that's the next 3 terms. Then it says find the 100th term. So to find the 100th term, we're going to have to substitute into the formula Tn is equal to ARn minus 1. This is the general formula for geometric sequence. So we would like T 100. So then we're going to put in the place of A the first term, and then in the place of R our common ratio, and then we're going to raise it to the power of 100 minus 1. So that is 8 times a quarter to the power of 99. I'm going to leave it in that form. So then the next question says, which term is equal to 101 over 128? Well, actually, here we can see it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's the 6th term. How to calculate it, if you did not write it out, is we have Tn is equal to AR to the power of n minus 1. And this time we are solving for n. So we put the term in, and then we put in A, and we put in our common ratio, and then we write that to the power of n minus 1. So then we divide both sides by 8, and we get 1 over 1024. 1 over 1024 is equal to a quarter to the power of n minus 1. And what we're going to then do is I'm going to write this as a base of 2. So this here is 2 to the power of, so we're going to factorize to write this as a base of, so it's 2 to the power of minus 10. And then this here is 2 to the power of minus 2. Well, that's a quarter to the power of n minus 1. So if we distribute that, it's 2 to the power of minus 10 is equal to 2 to the power of minus 2n plus 2. The bases are the same, so we can drop it. So we get minus 10 is equal to minus 2n plus 2. Take over that, so we get minus 12 is minus 2n. And finally, dividing both sides by 2, we get n, is equal to 6. Okay, sorry about that. So we get n is equal to 6. So that is how we do that. And so we then get n is equal to 6 again. And that's how we do the question for your typical question for geometric sequence. Please watch our next video on mixed exercises on sequences and series. Thank you for watching. Bye.